Please do not quit that video, shorts video. Please still hear word from me. Useful, there we can learn spoken English useful through useful phrases. So there we can learn two phrases: blow up and turn up. So blow up means मतलब full जोश में होना, and turn up these phrase used for volume. Okay, so blow up means feel something with air or gas. We blew for example, we blew up lots of balloons and hung them around the room. Next one, turn up means increase the amount of sound, heat or light of machine. For example, can you turn the volume up a bit? Wow, that's a really good phrases. Thank you so much for watching.